What's good, guys? I am making a classic birthday cake for my daughter's boyfriend. Today is his birth. Well, actually, yesterday was his birthday. Shout out to my sister Jaquia, because April 12th, today is her birthday, but his birthday was yesterday. I was supposed to make the cake yesterday, but we ended up doing TikToks all night, and so I didn't get a chance to get to it. So we're going to have it for Easter dinner. So I'm just icing this bad boy up. And this is just a classic birthday cake, semi-naked. And when I say semi-naked, it means it's not a lot of icing on the sides. It's semi-exposed. And that's for a reason. It's just, some people don't like a lot of icing like that. And so if you don't like a lot of icing like that, then, you get a semi-naked cake. Still going to be decorated good. But you may see some of the sides exposed. I'll try not to do too much icing on here. And we're in quarantine time, so it's not like I don't have, everything to make the cake, so I'm not going to do this big extravagant cake I usually do for him every year, because usually he's able to take it home to his family and all that stuff, but this is just a happy birthday cake. So just wanted to show you guys how to do it. If you're learning how to ice, if you want to know how to ice cakes, I am going to be doing cake baking classes soon, which are going to be virtual, because I've had a lot of requests. A lot of people are like, oh, I didn't know you could decorate cakes. Yeah, I could pretty much do it all. Sometimes I don't talk about it because people always think, I'm Shetty, I'm Miss Know-It-All, she thinks she can do everything. But if I have a talent that God gave me, I'm going to use it. And the good thing about that is, and the good thing about me is, if I know something that can teach somebody else, I'm going to teach you. Whether you want to learn it or not, from me, I don't mind teaching it. All right, so just basically trimming that off, getting this excess stuff off. And again, like I said, I'm going to be doing some cake decorating classes soon. Nothing to it. This is just, again, a simple birthday cake. It's just going to have some balloons, a border. Clean up this board some. Alright. And then I'm just going to do a traditional border, just like you'll see in the grocery store. Fill my icing bag up. Alright, we're going to do the top border, same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to put on basically a leaf tip onto my bag and do a third border. You can use, a star tip or anything, but this is for guys, so I don't want to make it too, girly or anything like that. I'm just gonna do a few balloons. And I know y'all hear my loud kids in the background. They have no respect. I told them I was filming this video for you guys and they don't give a crap. It's Easter. All right, and then I'm just gonna write happy birthday. And his name is Nasir. Happy birthday, Nasir. And that's it. There you have it, guys. Let me show you what it looks like. There you go. Classic birthday cake. Clean the edges around here off. Stick it in the cake box. Stick the candles on it. And we're going to say happy birthday. Happy Easter also. Bye.